The first one is hibiscus. Hibiscus means gudhal ka phool. The second one is cobra saffron. Cobra saffron means nag champa. The third one is night blooming. Night blooming means raat ki rani. The fourth one is rose. Rose means gulab ka phool. The fifth one is magnolia. Magnolia means champa ka phool. The sixth one is lotus. Lotus means kamal ka phool. The seventh one is jasmine. Jasmine means chameli ka phool. The eighth one is sunflower. Sunflower means surajmukhi ka phool. The ninth one is marigold. Marigold means gende ka phool. The 10th one is daisy. Daisy means gulbahar ka phool.